Hi everybody, Beliver911 here once again for an RPG Maker XP event command tutorial. So this time I'll be showing you a few different event commands. So the first thing I'll start off showing you is scroll map. Now what this does basically is, without changing where your player is, it scrolls the map. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the right for a distance of... I'm not really sure how they determine how much this distance is. I think it might be by squares on the map, but I could be wrong. So let's go ahead and change this to, let's go 20. And you can change the speed of how fast it scrolls. I'll go ahead and have it set as 4, because that's the default. And I'll have it on parallel process, so it automatically happens. Now, I'll have that end so it doesn't keep going, because on parallel process, things keep repeating themselves through the event commands that you've set up. So, self switch. If you don't know how to use these um, these different commands, go ahead and see my other tutorials, and they'll teach you how to use them. So, what I've done here is made a self switch on a new page. The page is blank, so it'll automatically stop. So I've got this at parallel process, so it'll automatically happen. And it's scrolling over by 20, and there you go. You can see my player has stayed in the position that he was at before, and the camera has scrolled over. And this is used mostly um, for cutscenes. If you have any questions about this, I know this can be a little confusing, but if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment, and I'll make an effort to answer them for you to the best of my ability. So the next part I can show you is change map settings. So panoramic view, the panorama view. What this is, and you can change it in your tile set options under database, the tile set tab. Panorama view will show up on any square that is a blank square. So on the top left of your tile set, you can see this blank square right here. And around different different tiles, there are white spots. So all of that will be the default for a transparent square is white. Transparent color is white by default for RPG Maker XP. So the panorama view shows up on your default white squares, if you have one set, that is. And there are a few different here. Sky, a sky in different hue, starlit night, clouds, sunset, mountains, and the ocean. So that's what you can do. I'll show you here. I've made just a little patch of overgrown grass, tall grass, in the center, and the rest of this is white. So I'll have it set to parallel process so it automatically happens. I'll go to change map settings, panorama view, and I'll change it to, let's go starlit sky. Now this is going to look really weird because of the way that I've set up my map. I'll put my character right in the center of this. And there you go. It looks a little awkward, and I haven't set any boundaries, but you get the idea. So that's what that is. Yes, the next thing I can show you is Battleback graphic. Now, in your random, like your random encounters, your battling, this will change the background. Now, I don't like the battling system for RPG Maker XP, but I'll show you this anyway. So, map 6, properties, step average of 1, and we'll need to create a troop to fight, so I'll go ahead and use the Harpy. Why not? So, for every step, I'll enter a battle. That's what that'll do. And right now, because of the tile set I'm using, what tile set am I using? I'm using Grassland right now. And in my database, I can see that Grassland, the battle back graphic is Grassland. So this is what it's going to look like in the background right now. And I'll show you that. So that's what it looks like right now. But I will change that, and I'll change it to the inside of the house right now. So there you go. That's proof that it works. And that's it for this little section of my tutorials. I hope you're looking forward to more tutorials and different event commands and some other neat little things that I've picked up. Leave me comments for any comments you have on my videos or questions, anything you want to know, or yeah. So I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.